Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today we're diving into Chapter 19, How to Use Your Subconscious Mind for Healing. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy explores the incredible ability of the subconscious mind to heal your body and mind, promoting overall well-being and vitality. Dr. Murphy explains that the subconscious mind is deeply connected to your physical health. When you align your thoughts and beliefs with health and wellness, your subconscious works to restore balance and healing in your body. To harness the healing power of your subconscious, Dr. Murphy recommends using healing affirmations such as, "Every cell in my body is healthy, vibrant, and full of energy." Repeating these affirmations with belief will help your subconscious mind focus on bringing health and healing into your life. Visualization is another powerful tool for healing. Dr. Murphy suggests visualizing your body filled with healing light and energy. Imagine every cell in your body being rejuvenated and restored to perfect health. Dr. Murphy also emphasizes the importance of faith and trust in the healing process. By truly believing in your body's ability to heal, you send powerful messages to your subconscious, which then works to make that belief a reality. The key takeaway: your subconscious mind can heal you. By using affirmations, visualization, and trust in the process, you can activate your body's natural ability to heal and thrive. That wraps up Chapter 19. In the next chapter, we'll discover how to train your subconscious mind for success and prosperity in all areas of life. Like, comment, and subscribe, and don't miss the next transformative chapter.